What's going on, everyone? I'm Manuel with Silicon Valley Kitchen and Bath Company. We are here on site in beautiful sunny Fremont, California. We are here on a home remodel we just wrapped up. I want to take you guys on a tour. I'm going to add in some before shots, a few still pictures so you can see what it looked like and how far we've come to the current condition. So if we're just going to quickly take a look at this front facade, existing, this entire front end of the garage was actually old wood, redwood siding. It was seriously decayed. It was rotten. It was just taking a big beating from the constant sunshine that we're getting. Clients were tired of replacing it and doing all the maintenance on the wood. We recommended was to do this nice smooth brick. So we went ahead and cladded the front of the garage. The rest of the home had siding as well, but we stripped the entire front end. We went ahead, we replaced all the brickwork all the way around the front with this nice smooth clean brick. Has sharp edges. Definitely a terrific idea. I don't know if you can see right there, we also integrated the underfloor venting into the brickwork. You can see those little cutout pieces over there, really nice detail. We recommended this nice James Hardie cement siding plank. With this material, you do not have to worry about pests such as termites. They don't eat cement. You also don't have to worry about water causing it to rot and decay like a traditional lumber. And in terms of exposure to the sun, definitely a terrific choice. You don't really have to worry about the sun's rays affecting it. The only maintenance required there is going to be your typical painting and sealing, every 5 to 10 years or something like that. So that's what we got going on the first glance, right? If you'll take a look over here with me at the porch, there are a couple of good details. You probably noticed the black windows and the black sidelight here. This is actually from Marvin. If you're interested in doing, exterior doors, exterior windows, I definitely recommend Marvin as maybe a #1 choice. I'm gonna watch my step. Don't want to break my neck here. If you'll look up above, one thing we added, instead of just finishing this off with shiplap, is we finished off the top of the porch in this nice clear cedar. Clear means it's not free. You just have this nice, beautiful, straight grain to the wood. This is just finished off in a nice natural finish. Looks spectacular. A couple other things that we did that you can't really see here. This beam, when I was out here inspecting the porch, I discovered that there was actually a third post somewhere over here that a previous owner had removed. What was causing was a huge sag in the porch, which was definitely a safety issue. So we went ahead and we replaced this entire beam here with an engineered beam. We got rid of the sag and we gave the porch the structural support that it really needs to eliminate any type of danger in the future. That's about it for the porch. I want to take you guys inside. I want to show you what we did on the inside, because if you think it looks nice and crisp out here, wait until you see what we did here. So we did a full kitchen, we did the living room, we did the dining room, we did the family room. We actually did engineered floors throughout the entire home. We did drywall texture all over the place. We did a lot of work to the family room ceiling, very cool, new pantry, relocated the washer dryer, a bunch of new windows and doors all the way around the house. The list goes on. Quickly, let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful door by True Style. This is a rift white oak door. You can see we were kind of doing our best to go ahead and match the ceiling and the door, kind of tie everything in together. Looks fantastic. And if you would, please join me inside. I want to show you guys what we got going on.